I love unnodare. I love unnodare.
Tulunadu. It is unlike anything else. It's raw, it's beautiful, it's divine. Namaste folks, my name is Subhath Suvarna, you're watching Beyond Horsepower and we are in Tulunadu on what feels like an everlasting road trip. And this journey, this experience, this is where we begin. Again. Remember DESIgnition, DESIgnition, designation. Regardless of how you would have pronounced it, the name was a bit confusing, even for the SEO. We started in 2019 as DESIgnition, kept putting out videos from time to time, sometimes consistently, sometimes inconsistently. Wait, that makes no sense. Anyway, we did have some rather legendary viewers who'd watch every single one of my unnecessarily long videos. You guys are awesome. Yeah, all 7 of you. Seriously though, I do feel like I let some people down because a few of you would ask me when the next video would be coming out for almost like 2 years, and then probably even you guys gave up, understandably so. But then a lot has changed over the past 2 or 3 years. A lot. It's been crazy. To give you some context, I moved base from Bengaluru to Goa, stayed there for a while, you know, the sun, the sands, live the Goan dream. Actually, that was a bit of a disaster. That's one of the many reasons for why I couldn't keep doing this. But such is life. So, while I cherished my time in Goa, life had other plans. And as cliched as it may sound, a calling, my heart, brought me right back to my roots, to my motherland, to this Punya Bhumi, Tulunadu. And now, here we are. Kudla, also known as Mangalore, will now serve as a new base as we kick off this new chapter. Actually, when the channel was inactive, we hadn't stopped filming. We had a ton of footage ready to go, but for some reason could never get down to uploading them. But again, such is life. With that said, we're back now for real this time, but with some major changes and a new identity. It's gonna be a fun ride, I promise. So buckle up and subscribe to DESIgnition. Well, subscribe to Beyond Horsepower, because here we are after all these years, still talking about all things cars, culture and travel. By the way, if you're wondering why it seemed like 3 different guys were presenting this video, it's probably because we've got that kind of budget now. Okay, well, I'm kidding. We are still broke. But hey, subscribe and the bell icon, hit it. I'll see you soon.